Good evening. Thank you for calling ABC Restaurant. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for tonight, please.
Of course. What time would you like to dine?
Around 7:30 p.m. for two people.
Perfect. And may I have your name, please?
Tease Davis.
Thank you, Davis. Can I also get your phone number, just in case we need to contact you?
Sure. It's 197-580-2346.
Great. And any special requests for your reservation?
Yes. Can we have a table by the window if possible?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have a table available by the window. Is there anything else you need?
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you tonight. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, could you tell me a bit more about your menu? We're looking for something special tonight.
Absolutely, Davis. Our menu is designed to offer a blend of flavors and experiences. From our signature dishes to our chef specials, each item is crafted with care and creativity.
That sounds good. Are there any dishes you recommend?
Our chef specials are always a hit, especially the bruschetta. It's Italian food, and it is a unique blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds.
That sounds tempting. We'll definitely try that. Do you have any other vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a variety of vegetarian dishes that are sure to delight. Our New York pizza is a popular choice among our guests.
Perfect. We'll add that to our order. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure, Davis. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. We're looking forward to our dinner tonight.
We're excited to have you. Have a great day.
Please wait. Actually, before we end the call, do you offer any special desserts or drinks?
Yes, we have a delectable selection of desserts, including our famous cherry pie. As for drinks, we have a variety of cocktails, wines, and non-alcoholic beverages to complement your meal.
Oh, very nice. We'll definitely save room for dessert. Can you recommend a dessert that pairs well with the chef's special?
Absolutely. I would recommend trying our recommended dessert. It's a perfect pairing with the chef's special and will round off your meal beautifully.
Wonderful. We'll add that to our order as well. Thank you for your help and recommendations.
It's my pleasure. We strive to offer a memorable dining experience, and I'm glad I could assist you. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all for now. We're looking forward to our dining experience tonight.
We're excited to have you. Have a wonderful day and see you tonight.